Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Just a little bug I'm having on my OnePlus 7. This isn't really a software, it's a software issue obviously, if it is a bug, but it's not like a UI issue or a usability issue or anything like that. I saw this posted by Max Weinbach on Twitter. Max Weinbach is one of the people over at XDA. He does a lot of Android stuff, and he said that his phone was showing a Android system usage on data of 6 terabytes. But his total usage for data was only 6 gigabytes. So I went into my settings here and went to data usage, and you can see we've only used 363 megabytes of data. But if we go to cellular data usage right here, we can see Android OS is showing that it has used 543 gigabytes, which doesn't make sense at all. This flat line and rise right here is because I didn't have the phone here, got the phone, started using data obviously. We don't know why it's showing that it's used 583 gigabytes of data, sorry. Total is 583 gigabytes, foreground is 50.26 megabytes, and background is 583 gigabytes. And these are all the services that fall under Android OS that use that data. So really don't know what's going on there, if this is a OnePlus issue with part of their software, a T-Mobile issue since this is a T-Mobile phone as well as his, or whether this is just a general Android issue. So I posted on XDA to see what other people are saying, and obviously I'm posting this video here. So if you guys are having this issue on a OnePlus 7 Pro, please leave it down in the comments section below. If you're having it on another Android device, let me know in the comments below as well. Trying to see if this is limited to the OnePlus 7, OnePlus software, or Android as a whole. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.